Learning the COVID-19 risk levels in your local area. This guide is created and supported by the Institute on Disability and Human Development and Chicagoland Disabled People of Color Coalition. Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the summer of 2022. After 2 years of limited opportunities for fun due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we can finally enjoy a summer and do fun things without that many rules and restrictions. We can freely go to our favorite parks, tourist places, concerts, festivals, and more. We can enjoy the usual summer now. Not so fast though. Not so fast. Even though there are less COVID-19 restrictions, we are still in an outbreak. We still must be careful when going outside to do our errands, go to the doctor, enjoy ourselves, and other things that require travel. We encourage you to continue to wear your mask, get vaccinated if you haven't already, and wash and or sanitize your hands as much as you can. There are some places where COVID rates are higher than other places. Some places have COVID-19 rates so high that it is risky for some people to visit local areas with those high rates. Other places have lower COVID rates where you are less likely to catch the virus when you're out and about. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have a tool where you can find out which places have a low or high COVID-19 risk before you travel. We'll spend the rest of the time talking about what the tool is all about. The CDC created a tool called the COVID-19 Community Level. This tool uses colors to determine which areas in the United States have high or low levels of hospitalizations and severe illnesses due to COVID-19. They update the data every week. Therefore, the level in your community may change often. To see which COVID-19 community level your local area or place you're traveling to falls under, visit the website below. The three colors they use to determine each community level are the following. Green is for low community level. A place is green if it has low levels of severe illness and hospitalizations due to COVID-19. Yellow is for a medium community level. A place is yellow if it has some levels between green and orange of severe illness and hospitalizations due to COVID-19. Orange is for high community level. A place is orange if it has high levels of severe illness and hospitalizations due to COVID-19. Note: the following recommendations are based on CDC's recommendations. We have our own set of recommendations for the disability community that we'll talk about later. If you live in or travel to a place at any COVID-19 community level, make sure to get vaccinated or boosted if you haven't already. Get tested for COVID-19 if you feel sick or notice you may have symptoms that are similar to COVID-19. People may choose to wear a mask at any time unless you go to a place that tells you otherwise. If you are sick, exposed to COVID-19, or have a positive test, CDC recommends you wear a mask. If you live in or travel to a place in the medium COVID-19 community level, talk to your doctor about wearing a mask in public if you have an increased risk of getting COVID-19. If you live in or travel to a place in the high COVID-19 community level, wear a mask in public settings, including indoor settings such as schools, places of worship, shopping malls, and restaurants. Our community, the disability community, are more likely to contract, get sick from, or die from COVID 19. We must be extra careful as we go towards a more outbreakless world. Therefore, we recommend that regardless of which level your area is in, you should wear a mask or nose and mouth covering in public, including while using public transportation. Get tested for COVID 19. Get vaccinated or boosted if you haven't already done so. Stay home or go to the doctor if you feel sick. Wash and sanitize your hands. Give yourself as much space away from people as possible in indoor places. Follow the 6 feet between people rule. The creators of the guide would like to thank you for your continued advocacy to make sure that the disability community is safe and thriving during the big COVID 19 outbreak. We would like to thank you for your continued support. Check out more COVID 19 resources information in our COVID 19 resource database at tinyurl.com/reopening vaccine database. If you would like to support our work through donations or volunteering, please visit the following link below.